First things first, let's start the AstraDex bot. After logging into the platform, navigate to the bot section. You will immediately notice the sleek and user-friendly interface, clean, intuitive and ready for action. Let's click the start trading now. Selecting the chain. Next, you will need to select your desired blockchain. AstraDex supports popular chains like Ethereum, BSC, Base, Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon. Simply click the drop down button like I have clicked and choose your chain and you are all set to proceed. Here you can see W1, W2, W3, W4. These are basically 4 wallets. AstraDex Bot allows us to manage up to 4 wallets. Let's next explore the wallet settings. By clicking on wallet settings, here you can see we have multiple options: low, average, high. This is basically gas fee customized settings for everyone. And next we have wallet selection. If we will click on W1, this will select wallet 1. Here you can see wallet switch to W1. Next we have deposit button, withdraw button, replace button, rename button and show private key. I will discuss it one by one. So if I click it on deposit button, it will give us this address which is of selected wallet, and simply clicking on it will copy the address, allows us to transfer or deposit the fund to selected wallet. Next we have withdraw button. Simply clicking on withdraw button allows us to already custom added tokens to withdraw, or providing any tokens contact address which is already available in this wallet to withdraw it to desired address. Simply select the token like I selected USDT. So here basically I have few amount of USDT, like I am selecting 10% of it, and it asks us to enter the recipient's wallet. Simply provide the recipient wallet address here and will transfer the funds to desired wallet. Next option we have is replace button. If we click on replace button, it allows us to choose an option for selected wallet. Like I have selected this wallet which I have named it with TGT 10K. So if I click on generate new, it will replace this wallet and generate a new wallet address. And if I click on import, it will simply allows us to import any other wallet using private key. Next I have option in wallet setting is rename. So this option allows us to rename the selected wallet. Like I have selected wallet which name is TGT 10K. So if I provide a new name like ABC1, it will change the name to ABC1. Here you can see it changed the name. So next option is show private key. I will recommend to not click it in front of anyone and not show or share your private key with anyone. So I am not clicking on it, but for your information I am telling you, if you want to obtain your private key of this wallet, simply click on show private key and the private key will pop up. Token balance. If we click on token balance, this option, this button allows us to check already added tokens balance. Like I have saved these tokens. So if you want to add custom token, simply click on add custom button and provide the contact address of any token which is on similar blockchain. Like I have provided address of Aave. So here you can see Aave token is added. One thing I want to tell you is maximum you can add maximum up to 6 tokens at the time. So next, if you want to check the token balance, simply click on check token balance and provide the contact address of desired token, and it will prompt you the balance of your desired token. Here you can see I have no Aave in my balance, so it shows us 0.0. Next button we have here is quick buy. When we click on quick buy button, it offers us simply token to buy. Select or enter a token to buy. If you have already saved your desired trading token, like I have FTM and SNX. Simply if I click on SNX, it will ask me to it will ask me how much BNB I want to swap with SNX. Whatever you want to decide from here, or otherwise you also can put desired or customized amount, like I am telling it to swap the 0.005 BNB. So here you can see 0.005 worth BNB will be swapped and 1.99 SNX will be received in my wallet. And here are few details for before going for confirmation. Just look into it. Chain selected is BSC, and here are other details, and here is gas detail, which is approximately 19 cents, and slippage is 0.05%. wallet, and here is wallet address. Here you can see you have, if you have experience, then you can change the amount from here, or you also can change the SNX desired amount, or slippage also you can change the slippage by clicking on it. And if you are ready to make a transaction, click on confirm a transaction, and after that click OK. And when you click on submit a transaction, your transaction will be submitted and forwarded for final proceedings, and the BNB will be swapped with desired token, in my case SNX. Contract scanner is next button. This is an additional feature by AstraDex. You can have on-chain security audit of any token, like I can select any token from here, or provide a contract address of same blockchain, like I am going for Aave. When I will click on Aave, it will give us a comprehensive security audit or contract scanning of that particular token. Here you can see this is very comprehensive information. You can go for it. Sometimes it's very crucial to have insight of such kind detailed information. So that's it. Next option we have shield. This is basically protection for your wallets, for your transaction, and this is very I think worthy feature of AstraDex. Next button we have here is referrals. If you want to refer your friend or anyone, your followers, your subscribers, simply click on this address. This is basically your referral code or referral link for AstraDex. By clicking on this, your link will be generated, already displayed on this, and will be copied, and you can share it with your friends so that they can participate in AstraDex many rewarding campaigns like trade to earn and similar things. So I will put my link in description. Make sure to join AstraDex and trade on it, because they are going to airdrop a big amount of tokens. So that's it for today, guys.